Good night everyone and welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm going to be making a Christmas cake right now. Yeah. I'm going to start off with my butter. Oh, that one fell. My sugar, guys, I'm just going to use 2 teaspoons. Yeah, this is good enough. Then I'm going to cream my butter and sugar together. Let me this one here. Add some browning. I'm gonna add 3 eggs, guys. They're good. Yes, guys, I'm gonna add my fruits now. This is the main ingredients for your cake, guys. Yeah. The sides, let everything incorporate. So guys, I'm gonna add all my dry ingredients now. I'm gonna add 2 cups of 235 ml whole wheat flour, guys. This one is cinnamon and nutmeg mixed together. A little salt. I'm gonna add baking powder. guys. Yeah. And I'm gonna mix now. To take my time. Take my time. Don't want to speed it up too much. Give it a little speed now. Use this spoon. Everything to incorporate. Give it a little bit more speed. Clean away the sides, good. Shake and bake. Yes, guys, this is how you have to shake it, man. Shake and bake. Yeah. Put it in the oven now. And I'm gonna be baking it for 1 hour. Yes, guys. Yes, guys, this is how I have to do it. Water under here and the cake on top. Yes, guys, cake is ready now. It's hot, so it's gonna break up. Yeah, so I'm gonna take out my slice now. God, it's hot, guys. It's hot, man. Bye, guys, and thanks for watching. Bye.